Moonlight at Kyoto in 50 by 86 cm. Artwork by CATHY DELANSSAY. Special treatment version 1 starts with auburn crystals that we have sprinkled on the orange branches we see here, as well as the orange branches on top. And we've also filled in the orange leaves with the auburn crystals. This is for version 1. Moonlight at Kyoto by CATHY DELANSSAY. Special treatment version 2 now adds sapphire diamonds that we have sprinkled on her dress. So you can place it on all of the darker blue areas mostly, and then sprinkle a little bit on some of the lighter blue areas, just to give her dress or her kimono a bit of embellishment. Moonlight at Kyoto by CATHY DELANSSAY. Special treatment in size 50 by 86 cm. Rounds version 3 now adds electric diamonds for the stars in the sky. So simply follow the light balls that you see around her, the balls of light, which are the stars, and then feel free to add more of the stars by adding random individual specks of electric diamonds in the night sky. So as we see, if we come up close, we've got some clusters of the electric diamonds to fill in these areas that are like small clusters. So fill those in, but aside from that, feel free to also place them on random black dark areas in the sky so that you have this look of a starry night with a lot of stars, both bigger stars and also smaller stars. Once again, for version 3 of Moonlight at Kyoto, we have auburn crystals for these orange branches as well as the orange leaves on top. And then we also have sapphire diamonds sprinkled on her dress. And finally, we have electric diamonds for the stars in the sky.